Hi everyone, this is David Theriault, and I am sharing how to insert arrows and text box into Google Slides. Okay, so we're going to start with text boxes first, and there's two different ways that you can insert a text box. One is this text box tool right here. It's kind of underneath where it says Format and Slide. You just click it, and then when you come over here to the actual slide, you hold down the mouse and just drag it like that, okay? And when you do that, it's gonna put in a text box. Oh, there we go. Boom. And then once it's there, you can type into it like check this out. And explanation. And then once the text box is in there, you can highlight the text, you can change the font to this, you can change the font size to this. Oh heck, let's really make sure we can see it. So we'll do that. You can also make it align, like center in the text box. And you could always change the color. We'll make it blue, okay? So that's one way of putting in a text box. The other is if you come up here to the shape tool, which is right underneath the range, you just click shape and you can pick any of these shapes. Let's take a circle and you put the circle in right here. And then all you have to do is you double click in the circle. And now you can check this out. Boom. And then you can once again pick a font, pick a size, and you can align it like that and make it a different color. Actually, we're going to make this one white. And then I'm going to, still clicking on the shape, I'm going to actually fill it with a color. So let's fill it with a blue. So now you got something different, right? You got this one, you have this one, and then let's do one more. Let's say you have something where you want it to look like the person's thinking. So I'll go back up here to shapes, and I'm gonna do callouts. And I'm gonna pick this little thought bubble right here, and I'm gonna make it look like this person's thinking something. So boom, and then do you see this little yellow thing right here? Drag that little yellow thing over to the person. And now it looks like they're thinking. And then once again, we're going to double click on this and check this out. Boom. And then pick the font, size. And then I always like with this one, I like to make the lines just a little bigger. So I'll come here and pick that. And I kind of want the fill to be white. So boom, like that, okay? Now, how do you put an arrow in? All right, so come back up here to where it had shapes and see how there's this line tool right underneath the range line? Right click on this, or click on this little arrow just to the right of it, and we're gonna pick arrow. And the arrow is gonna go in the direction. So we're gonna start here and we're gonna point right to here. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to make the arrow a little bigger. So we're gonna pick 4, and I want it to stand out. So we're gonna pick a color for the, oh, here we go, line color, make it red. And actually I want it to go from this little, check this out. So go up here. So see, you can drag either side to make it line up. You know, I don't like that because it goes over our other one. So we'll just go right here. Maybe we'll move this one down a little bit and over, and there you go, like that. Okay, so once again, remember you can insert text from this text tool. You can insert any shape and double click the shape and put the text in. And the arrow is this line key, line right here with the little right, and you just pick arrow, which is right there. And that's the end. Thank you very much. Have a good day.